What if a simple mousse could instantly smooth, brighten, and camouflage imperfections without UV damage? For women over 30, it's reality. Totally Bangin, the anti-aging self-tanner for mature skin. Most self-tanners weren't designed for you. They streak, smell, and highlight every dry patch and fine line. Mature skin needs hydration and clean ingredients, not harsh chemicals. Totally Bangin changes everything. It's built on a 100% natural botanical formula, free from alcohol, perfumes, and toxins. Powered by sunflower seed oil, beetroot extract, cranberry antioxidants, and vitamin E. These ingredients don't just tan your skin, they nourish it, hydrate it, and smooth fine lines. It's a Mediterranean bronze that lasts up to 11 days without streaking. Using it is simple. Exfoliate, pump, apply in circular motions, and watch your skin transform. It's a skincare treatment that makes you look like you spent a week in Greece. If you're tired of streaky tans and uneven skin, Totally Bangin is your new secret weapon. Glow confidently. Glow naturally. Glow like you haven't in years. Visit the official Totally Bangin website to get yours today. Your skin deserves this.